Hello everyone, welcome to Bait Oxygen Academy. I am Devanshi Parikh. Today's tutorial is on black box testing. So let's quickly go through the topic that we will covering in this session. First we will see what is black box testing. Then we will see what are the techniques for black box testing. And then we will move on the advantages and disadvantages of black box testing. What is black box testing? Black box testing is testing method in which we test the functionality of our application, and we can also call it as a behavior testing, function testing and closed box testing. In black box testing, we do not consider the internal code structure. We just focus on input and output. Let's understand this thing using examples. Consider this black box can be any software system that you want to test. For example, a website like Google, in which we test only its functionality without knowledge of internal structure of a website. We test the web page by using browser, provide the input like clicks and keystrokes, and verify the output against the expected outcomes. Now, let's see another example. When we install operating system in our laptop, then we check whether that operating system is compatible in our system or not, and also check whether it's working as per expected scenario or not. So in this, we don't know the code structure of operating system, but based on that given scenario, we test their functionalities. Now we will move on to another example of a registration form. We have one registration form. When user add the data in that form, at that time we check whether user has added the valid data as per field requirement or not. Or we can say that user added the valid data on the particular field or not. And if user added the invalid data, then we check whether the validation apply on that field is working or not. That is said to be a black box testing, as this testing does not require the knowledge of internal logic of the software. So black box testing is defined as a testing technique in which functionality of application is tested without looking at internal code structure and implementation detail of the software. This type of testing is done based on a software requirement and specification. In black box testing, we just focus on input and output of the software system without bothering about the internal knowledge of the software program. Now we will see that what are techniques for black box testing. There are various techniques that used in black box testing like equivalence class, boundary value analysis, piecing, cause effect graph, orthogonal array testing, all pair testing, state transition testing. Advantages of black box testing. First one is that programmer and tester are independent of each other, as the tester is unaware of the code or coding style of the software or application. So tester and developer will be independent of each other, or we can say that there will be no interaction between tester and developers. Second one is that quicker test case development, as we avoid the internal code structure of the software in black box testing. The same way we won't be required to consider the code while testing it. Hence, there will be a less number of the test scenario, which will make the test case development process faster and easily. Third one is that black box testing will be easier for large code segment, as we will be focusing and testing only the functionality of that large code instead of testing the large code segment. The fourth one is that the tester perception will be simple, as tester will only require to test the input and output for the given input and check if it match with the expected outcome or not. Disadvantages of black box testing. First one is that it is inefficient testing. Second one is that without clear specification, test cases are difficult to design, as this testing technique based on the software specification and requirement. Third one is that only a selected number of test case scenarios are actually performed. As a result, there is only limited coverage. That's all for the today's session. Hope you like the session. I am giving you some important questions related to this topic, which are: first one is that what is black box testing? Second one is that what are the advantages of black box testing? And third one is that what are the disadvantages of black box testing? Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like this video. Keep liking, sharing our videos and subscribe our YouTube channel BitOxygen Academy. You can also follow us on Instagram. In case of any queries, let us know by email. Our email is available in description box.